Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_ lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the very cool Zens aluminum dual watch wireless charger. It has up to 20 watts of charging power from this spot and this spot. And then you also have an Apple Watch charging puck built in right here. You don't add it yourself, it's actually already built in. So if you have one that you travel with, you can keep that for traveling and then just use this one on the desktop. It has one cord that goes into the back that is in a world charger right here, and you actually get 3 different pieces. Here's another piece that you get right here for charging, and another one for wherever you are. This will work. So lots of countries for those 3 pieces. I have the North America plug in the charger right now, and so we're going to go ahead and show you the iMore earbuds are currently charging right here. It has a green light that's on. There's also a light on the front right there. I can't really see it, but it's on. And then when you put something on the second plate, the second light will turn on. So we'll set this right there. And that's an iPhone 10 right there. You got to line it up. There we go. So now it's charging. And there would be a second light right here showing you that the second plate is charging. Okay, and now we'll add the Apple Watch to up here, and it's magnetic. So it sticks, and it takes just a moment to recognize and then start charging. Right there. There we go. So now it's charging the Apple Watch, the iMore earbuds, and the Apple phone. And now what it says here is it has Apple and Samsung fast charging capabilities. Because it's 10 watts, it can charge up to 7.5 watts for the iPhone and up to 10 for Samsung phones. But it will negotiate the wireless charging speed for whatever QI wireless device that you set on either of the plates. Because you get 10 out of each, there's so many possibilities. I can even charge this other iMore earbud set, take off the iPhone, and charge those simultaneously. So you could have 2 AirPod Pros charging at the same time with the wireless charging cases on here and an Apple Watch. So you can have all Apple products. You can have a mix of third-party products. You can have Samsung, Nokia, all bunch of different Android things charging. You can have headphones, even earbuds like that. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. You can go ahead and take a perusal of that, pause it anytime, but those details will be at the bottom of the video. This is the Zens aluminum dual watch wireless charger for your desktop.